How to fix GTFI failed initialization? Please reboot and restart your game error. For this first step, you need to restart your device. After restart, come to next step, update graphics driver. For this, search for device manager, click it. Here you need to check for display adapters. Here you can check the display adapters, then go to browser, download and install the latest version. Go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. For NVIDIA, you need to go to the official website, and for AMD, you need to go to the official website, download and install the latest version. This is one method. And the next method, you need to right click and click update drivers, search automatically for drivers, click it and update it. These are the two methods to update the drivers. Once complete, after close it and come to next step, reinstall DirectX runtime. For this, open up browser, search for DirectX runtime, go to the official website, download and install the latest version. Go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install it. After come to next step, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times because it takes some times to actually verifying the files in your drive. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will rectify it and remove it, and it shows here there is no corrupted file available. After that, exit it. And the last and final step, you need to open up settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Scroll down and you have seen the advanced option is there. Click it and click optional update. If there is any pending update available, means you need to check here also. Check it and update the pending updates and make your Windows up to date. Thank you.